Hi guys! Here's another Filipino dish that I'm going to share with you today. I love to eat this with rice. The only thing I added to this recipe that they don't usually do is the bacon. But if you don't like bacon, you can just skip it and only use chicken. So here are the ingredients you'll need: potatoes, carrots, onions, garlic, red bell pepper, tomato paste dissolved in a little amount of water, bacon, green peas, soy sauce, skinless boneless chicken thigh, my simple homemade chicken broth. On how to do it, it's listed in the description box down below. So let's start cooking. First step, render the bacon until the oil will come out a bit brown and crispy. But before that, we are going to put a little bit of olive oil or any kind of oil will do to lubricate the bacon. Mix, mix, mix. When it's done, add onions, garlic, and saute. Add chicken, soy sauce, salt, and cover for a minute. Add chicken stock, potatoes, and carrots. Boil until it's half cooked. Add green peas, red bell pepper, and tomato paste. Add chicken stock if necessary. Boil until it's cooked. Serve and enjoy. So here it is, my chicken afritada. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys!